Yeah.
Box drill. Stand by.
Today we conducted a combat marksmanship range, practiced our skills with our M4s, M16s, and M27s.
Targets!
We practiced various shooting groups from various distances. So we do these shoots both stationary and while moving. So we practice our groupings to the head, center mass, and the pelvis area of the VMOD target. We do this to maintain our skills as infantrymen and to correct any deficiencies the Marines may have. As a security force, we stand post here on Taqaddum. We do local security patrols and we do escorts for various elements operating around the base. We do training ranges like this because shooting, like anything else, is a skill that requires time and practice.